Felicia Rye. Welcome to Quarantine Cuisine. Do you know what I miss? I mean, a lot of things, but one thing I very much miss is hotels. I love hotels. I used to, my mom was a travel doctor, so we traveled a lot, and the hospitals would usually put her in hotels, so I was kind of raised in them, just like Zach and Cody, with less shenanigans. But my favorite hotels are like the Hampton Staybridge ones, because like in the afternoon they'll come and put cookies down there, like warm cookies, or Doubletree, which gives you a warm cookie upon entering. And now I see what the link is in all my favorite hotels. It is cookies. But this is very exciting because we're all at home, we can't go to hotels. Doubletree knows this, and so they released their famous Doubletree cookie recipe for all the masses to make. So that is what we're making today, our favorite Doubletree cookies. Sans, one thing, I don't like nuts, so we're taking the walnuts out, but we'll get to that. We have the sugar in here, and we're gonna do the butter. And one thing I did not realize until I moved here is that there's a West Coast butter and an East Coast butter. These are weird. The East Coast butters are long. These are like weird and squat. It's the same amount of butter in each one. I don't know what the difference is though. So I soften these. I don't have a fancy stand mixer. And actually, I don't even have a very big bowl. But that's okay. Hopefully it won't fly out. Probably shouldn't have said that. So we'll cream that all together first. I got it under control. Okay. Lower the speed a little. Do I use this mixer often? Nope. Whoa. It's good, guys. It's good. I just got to smush it down. Oh, this is exciting. It's my workout for the day. Okay, so this is a problem. Well, we can fix it. I'll just keep doing that, maybe? Okay, that's not gonna work. This is what happens when you don't have a fancy stand mixer. All right, we're getting there. We're fine. This is fine. Okay, 2. I'm very good at cracking eggs. I'm not good at a lot of things, but I'm very good at cracking eggs. Put some vanilla in there. And this surprised me. Half a lemon. Never would have thought it. But I guess that's why it's a secret recipe, huh? Let's try this again. Oh, much better now. I mean, I guess better is relative. Oh, great. It's fantastic. Everything's working out now. It says to mix it for 2 minutes. That seems like a really long time. Until light and fluffy. Okay. Gonna get a stand mixer. I'm already bored of this. Oh, it is getting light and fluffy. Okay. Doubletree wouldn't steer us wrong. All right. It's got a lot of flour in it. It's gonna make a lot of cookies. I love oats and cookies, so I'm excited about this. Let's cream those together a little. 3 big ingredients. How could I forget? Baking soda. It's fine. It's not the one we're using. I hate this salt. I spell it, but it's okay. It's in the sink. Salt. And a pinch of cinnamon. That's way too much. That's not a pinch. Pinch. Good thing I wore white. There's a lot of flour. Alright. We gotta fix this. It's really sticking in there. It's okay. This is an experiment. This is part of cooking during this quarantine, isn't it? Things that should not have this much batter stuck to it. Alright, we're good. So now we just add in, we finish scraping this off, and then we add in the chocolate chips. One thing I liked about this recipe is that it doesn't require any chilling, because I don't like chilling cookies. I feel like if you're making cookies, it's because you want to eat them immediately. When you chill them, you have to put them in the fridge, and then you don't get to eat them immediately. Recipes that call for chilling are monsters. I mean, I'm sure they turn out delicious. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna wash that later, and then we do the chocolate chips. And that doesn't seem like nearly enough chocolate chips. We're gonna do more chocolate chips. Chocolate never hurt anybody. There's still 2 left in there. Can't leave any on yet. All right, and I guess this is where you would put in walnuts if you wanted walnuts. I don't like walnuts. I don't like any nuts in my cookies. I understand that the Doubletree ones have walnuts in them, so I must like them to some extent, because I wolf that cookie down before I even get to my room. You should also make sure that you pick a big enough bowl to do all of this in, because clearly I did not do that. Even though I said to myself, no, this bowl looks small. I should use a bigger bowl. And then I didn't. Didn't do it. All right. That is mixed in enough. We will get these cookies onto the parchment paper. Put them in the oven. Parchment paper. Or whatever you're using. Oh no, another one. I'm gonna have batter everywhere, aren't I? Use a big enough thing. Just pulled them out of the oven. They are beautiful. Do you see how the ones on the bottom are browner than the ones on the top? That's because I have a terrible oven. I want to eat one, but they're very hot. But I want to eat one. So we're gonna eat a little bit of one. Oh my God. It's so soft and delicious looking. Okay, tiny little piece. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my God, it's so good. It's like the Doubletree cookie. They did it. Oh, it's so good, it's so good. Okay, well, everybody has to make these immediately. No chilling, very quick. You can eat them while they're hot. If you can stand it. They're beautiful. Oh, they're really pretty. Maybe when they cool down. Doubletree cookies. Well, now that we bought a little bit into the hotel into our home, thank you for joining me on Quarantine Cuisine. I'm gonna try to cut these cookies apart because apparently I made them a little too big.